Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive emails in Gmail like a pro. Whether you want to declutter your inbox or quickly retrieve important messages, these simple steps will make email management effortless. Let's start with archiving. First, open your Gmail account and go to your inbox. Find the email you want to archive and click the small checkbox to select it. With the email selected, look at the top of your inbox for a row of icons and click the archive icon. It looks like a filing box with a downward arrow. Just like that, the email disappears from your inbox but is safely stored in Gmail, keeping your main view neat and organized. Now, what if you need that email back? It's simple. On the left side of Gmail, scroll down and click More, then select All Mail. Here, you'll see every message in your account, including archived ones. Use the search bar if you remember the sender, subject, or keywords to find it faster. Once you locate the email, click its checkbox and then hit the Move to Inbox icon at the top. Your archived email is now back in your inbox, ready for action. And that's it. Archiving keeps your inbox clutter-free, while unarchiving ensures nothing important is ever lost. Make these steps a habit, and you'll have a clean, organized Gmail in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips.